Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my Hobonichi Cousin for the week of August 9th through 15th. I am going to use the Strawberry Delight Kit from Sweet Kawaii Design in the cousin size. So this is the kit. It's really cute. And then I went ahead and pulled coordinating like the journaling card Tasia sent out, and then I also picked up the die cuts. There's two sets of die cuts. So this is strawberry sweets, and then there's strawberry critters. So I like to kind of just pull everything, even though really there's not that much room to use these. But oh my goodness. So I have those, and then I also grabbed this washi, and this is from Michael's, and it's one of the Sweet Kawaii Design washi that they had at Michael's, and it has like some coordinating colors with like a couple of strawberries. So I was thinking maybe I might use this. This one's also from Michael's. It's the critters with their coffee. And then this, I don't know if you can still get it on the website, but Tasia had this rainbow washi available. So let's see. I'm just going to go ahead and lay down the basics. I don't have any real plan. Still in Tampa visiting family, and I will be here through Wednesday. So Wednesday we'll basically be driving home, and then Monday and Tuesday I'm just gonna be like at my parents' house. So I love the way this washi looks. Like these little strawberries with the flowers is so cute. So cute. Okay, so let's see what we want to do. I know that doesn't really match, but let's see. Okay, I am still at my sister's house, so if sometimes it looks like the video cut, it's because I had to stop it, and then I turn it back on and it's not always where I left off. I'm trying to think. I really want to use some washi because I'm not doing anything before 7 if I can help it. And these guys are cute with their coffee. I know it doesn't really match, and I might end up taking it off, but for now I really think that I'm gonna try to use it there. I'm also outside because I'm at my sister's house, and I need to post like a pic in my stories. I literally brought all my Sweet Kawaii Design planner stuff, stickers to my sister's house, along with everything to film, but I did not bring my light because I was like, nah, how silly is it to bring a light to somebody's house? So I filmed my plan with me in my catch-all planner yesterday, and it was not very clear. going to use this Hello Summer. I'm kind of chuckling because to me summer is when the kids are off from school, and that's so close to ending. They go back to school on the 18th, which is next Wednesday, so that was fast. On Tuesday, I'm gonna be with my mom. So I think I'm just gonna use this. Put that here to mark that. And then on Thursday, I actually have an interview. Oops, what am I doing? Then other than that, I'm just having a good time, I guess. Let's see. So Friday I'm gonna have things to do. So let's put the checklist, and I'm gonna put it to the side of the time so we can see that. Thursday, I think I might just do all the well, not all of them. Let's see. Okay, guys. So, I know that's pretty busy, but I think it's cute, it's fun. I don't have much going on this week other than a few things here and there and a 4-hour drive back home. So I'm just going to kind of use the cousin to keep me on track, and that's pretty much it. I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and I will talk to you guys later.